Hi everyone, welcome back to our KOSO kitchen. My name is Eriko. Today I'm going to show you how to make eggnog without egg or milk. This eggnog has lower calorie, lower fat content. If your body doesn't agree with egg or milk, this is for you. You need any kind of plant milk. I have almond milk today here. Oat milk or soy milk will be good. You can use hemp milk, anything you like. And for the richness and creaminess, I'm going to add coconut milk. And also to sweeten its eggnog. And spices, I have nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. That's it. Warm the almond milk and coconut milk over medium-high heat with cinnamon and nutmeg. Turn off the heat. Wait until it's cooled down. Add KOSO and vanilla extract. Chill in the fridge for a few hours and enjoy cold, or you can drink right away. Thank you for watching. Cheers!